Hi students, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you guys and I hope to see you soon. So I planned a little fun experiment for you to see, and if you want to try it at home, you may try it at home if you have all the materials. So this experiment is called Sparkly Explosion. So you're gonna be able to see an explosion with all these ingredients that I have right here. So for this experiment, you're going to need vinegar. We are going to use baking soda, some glitter, food coloring, and you need a water bottle, a plastic water bottle, or any base container. And then you're gonna need a big container to hold the mess because you're gonna see the explosion and then everything's just gonna spill. So I am going to start. So you need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So you're going to get the baking soda and I'm going to pour it in to the plastic bottle. This is 2. And then after, I am going to add 6-7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to add some glitter. I have silver glitter and red glitter. Okay, so now the last step is that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of vinegar. Now pay close attention to what is going to happen. We already added the baking soda, we added the food coloring, and the glitter. So now I am going to add the vinegar and see what happens when I add the vinegar. You ready? Did you see what happened? When we added the vinegar, all the other ingredients we added to the plastic bottle, it formed and then it created that eruption. And it's called sparkly eruption because we added glitter. So you were able to see the glitter. So now, look what happens. We're gonna repeat the whole experiment again. But now, I'm gonna add dishwashing soap. So we're gonna add again 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I am gonna add another 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a little bit more glitter. And then now I'm going to add the soap. So just now pay attention to how the explosion is going to look since we added soap. So now I'm going to add the vinegar so we could make the explosion. And then now let's see what happens because we added soap. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you see that it created more foam, like more bubbles? Because we added soap. And what happens when we use soap and water? It makes bubbles. But since we added vinegar, it made more bubbles. So it's more like of a foamy. Zoom in. And you're able to see like the whole glitter and see how. So if I add more vinegar, let's see what happens. So every time you add vinegar, it's gonna keep exploding. So if you want to try this at home, you're going to need these ingredients right here. But make sure that your parent is with you so your parent can help you with the steps in the process. Si quieren ayudarles a sus hijos a hacer este experimento, lo único que van a necesitar es un sartén, una botella de agua o cualquier otra base. Si tienen brillo en su casa pueden usarlo. Si no, el brillo no se requiere, eso no es importante. Si tienen colorante, nomás para darle un color al vinagre que se está usando, van a ocupar baking soda de esta de aquí y vinagre de cocina o de cualquier vinagre que tengan. Y ya después para el segundo experimento le van a agregar jabón con el que lavan los trastes, no más poquito. Y luego van a ocupar de vinagre, es 1,5, son un vaso y medio, y 2 cucharadas de baking soda. Voy a poner las instrucciones abajo del video en español y en inglés para que tengan los pasos de cómo se va a hacer el experimento. Thank you kids for watching. So if you want to, you could try this at home. Or you could draw a picture and draw what you were able to observe while you're watching the video as to what happened when we added all the ingredients and then we added the vinegar. So I hope you like this fun experiment and I hope you are able to try this at home. Take care and I hope to see you guys soon.